Welcome to another episode of Nacho TV. Today we got this beautiful Dodge Challenger, but there's one thing wrong with it. Unfortunately, we have a little bullseye right over here, and right over here, there's a slight little crack where another rock hit. So today we're going to use this little kit I got from Walmart. You can also find something similar at Harbor Freight or any auto repair store. So you'd easily turn this into that. Something clear. Save yourself some money from buying a whole new windshield, or at least delay before having to purchase a brand new windshield. To get started, we'll want to get the glass clean, especially in those places where we're going to put the liquid. Alright, let's see what's inside this kit. We got the little instruction manual, got the films, main part, the repair resin, suction cups, and the applicator. In here there's also a blade. Alright, you'll want to position the suction cups directly over the damaged area. Once in place, you'll want to screw in the resin chamber into the sensor ring until it's touching the impact point. See how I have the hole directly aligned on the damaged point? This is to ensure that the repair resin will flow into the hole. So when screwing this in, you don't want to put too much pressure because that could alter the shape of the glass. So now I'm getting the repair resin, putting about 3 to 6 drops depending upon how bad this repair needs to be done. Okay, after that's finished, you're going to go ahead and screw the pressure driver into the resin chamber. You'll notice you'll feel a little bit of pressure. That's because it's a nice airtight seal, and that's what's helping push this repair resin into the cracks. And you might have to go at it a couple times just to make sure it can fill in the cracks a bit better. Alright, all finished. You're going to go ahead and take off the suction cups. And then you're going to put this clear plastic film right over it. So then we're going to place it out in the sun or some UV light for about 5 to 10 minutes. Clean off the resin with a razor blade. And just like that, all done. Clean it off with some glass cleaner and we're all set. And just like that. Nacho TV.